Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is inconsistent. It is spelt I-N-C-O-N-S-I-S-T-E-N-T. Think in, con, sis like sister, and then tent. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Inconsistent means not being able to maintain a level or standard. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is not steady, regular, or uniform. For example, you could say, his performance was inconsistent, he had good and bad days. Or, the quality of the product was inconsistent, and some of them were defective. The word inconsistent comes from the Latin word inconsistens, which means not standing together, referring to something that is not steady or uniform. In The Cat in the Hat, the mischievous cat's behavior is inconsistent throughout the story. He initially arrives as a fun and entertaining character, but his actions quickly escalate into chaos as he brings in Thing 1 and Thing 2, wreaking havoc in the house. The cat's inconsistency adds to the whimsical and unpredictable nature of the story. Synonyms for inconsistent are irregular, uneven, unstable, and unpredictable. Antonyms for inconsistent include consistent, steady, regular, and uniform. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, inconsistent. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.